Oh, check this out, dudes. Hey, Fallon's new ride.
Oh, for sure.
Oh, fuck yeah. Hey, let's check out what they got with the Santas. That'll be awesome. Yeah, small race, not big race.
Yeah.
Oh, we got our tools.
Oh, I got training first, right?
Yeah, our tools.
Always a good sign.
Pedals, drink rack, tools, booklet.
Cable works.
Words, box with the charge mirror. With the charge mirror.
Wow.
Megawatts.
Too many megawatts.
No, none.
None?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
The doc would not be happy.
No.
He needs gigawatts anyway, so.
Uh-oh. So powers, we should,
Oh no.
we should vulcanize it before we take it under a
Probably.
full-blown segment, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Throttle wide open.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man.
Oh yeah. Hey, I apologize. Probably not mature enough to have this in my possession, but they sent it, so we'll send it. I'm happy. Oh, we're gonna go for a bike ride. That's handy. That's wholesome.
Let me get an electric bike and go check.
Right? Hit the wood one.
Yeah, man. They really want to test it for all Canada's terrain.
Yeah, for the Canada area. So much moisture. So many condensations. Oh, I apologize. I'm just waiting around for this battery to charge. She's all charged up, but ready to rock. Ready to rock. Only thing is, I don't know. I'm a kitty. I don't want to get wet. I want to get a big dirt stripe up my arscle. So probably be better weather tomorrow, maybe. I don't know, but the bumper's freaking awesome. Let's check this out. Let's probably check this out for my movie. Oh, we could turn on a couple flisher flashers. Hey? Oh, we're going to prison. That's probably against some sort of protocol. Hey, don't tell America. And then of course got bumper lights. Way more awesome. for Santasing. But then the friggin', so I had them flisher flashers on the other truck, but they were never hooked up because they're like a major pain in the dink, right? We got them all hooked up. But check this out. Holy shit. Hey?
Oh yeah, it looks nice in the shot too.
Imagine that. Just thundering down on top of you and on the 907. Good lord. And you get them all going at once, see what happens. And see what happens, bud. Holy shit. Yeah. Now look. Hope you're happy. Good lord. Just belligerent. Looks like it's got a grimace on. Like it's kind of half smiling. How are you smiling? Yeah, we'll get that friggin' Weisner. I don't even know if I showed you, but it's a custom sprig Weisner. I'll put it on there another day. Still got to do the rear bumper and stuff, but it's strictly all custom, so it takes a minute, right? But anyway, oh boys, check this out. Friggin' Dyna Rat sent me the pieces. I was close, I guess. Trifecta potato antler, but this piece here, yeah, we need that. So those are the pieces we need. They sent a whole thing, so I guess we got some extra bits, but zero fucks. 3 months, 3 months. 3 months, no good. Hey, so yeah, I guess I'll unhook the trailer, pull the truck in here, we'll stab that shit on there, lickety mixplickins, and then maybe go get the felon. I don't know. Check that out, boys. Yeah. Stab that on. Probably. Oh, I apologize. Anyways, yeah, let's put some parts on the jack. Oh, and I got something else too. Where is it? Oh, this thing. They sent it. It's a friggin' carpoo ride. Carpoo ride. It's a carpoo ride, boys. Hey, check that out. Hey, I don't know. We'll set her up. We'll have a little look. See, maybe. Look at them apples. We'll pull that piece I made out and friggin' Dynacock. Hey, my friggin' Dynacocks there. Look at that custom ring glow. Holy shit! Beautiful. Yeah. Probably like right in the fucking headshot of fucking YouTube. That was good. Yeah. That was fucking good. Just a fucking idiot. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Water.
Corrosion. 1000 corrosion.
100%. Water infiltration a big time. Thanks, Dynacock. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
I just need to cut more shit out of it. And what are you doing? That piece of should go in there. Similarly.
Does it need to be pushed in? Yeah.
motherfucker.
Oh. See him. Oh, you fucking bitch.
Well, there she is, boys. Check that out. Disc brakes, battery. I don't even know. Kickstand, eh? Scores. Folds in half, multiple directions. Just like unclicks or some nonsense. I don't know. Just jam that. I guess you're supposed to flick that down too. I never even knocked this, so that's good. That didn't come flicking open. Probably good to read the instructions. I don't know. Looks pretty, you know, pretty all right. Not too bad. Alloy mag wheels, boys. Hey, you can really jam a hockey stick in there while the felon's giving her test run.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Eh? I apologize. Beverage, luggage. What else do you need? You can go to the supermarket. Here, let's get a shot. See how fast we can go.
All right.
Let me put this on. Oh, they sent me one that fits perfect. Where are the lights? Gotta be safe.
Mm-hmm.
Got the flusher flasher on the front, a little Robotronic in the back.
Yeah.
Really gets a shot. Eh? You getting a shot?
Well, I'm getting the shot.
Nice. Fuck, I'll just have to throw that on the ground, I guess.
Oh no.
Oh, she goes.
Oh.
I got her up to 28.6.
Oh wow.
Oh, you want to go much faster than that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you know, bicycle, you go like 28.6 downhill maybe.
Yeah. Want to try?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh.
Oh no.
Flick the kickstand on. You want the helmet?
No, I may as well. Oh no. You probably wear the hat underneath of it.
I don't know. My melon's all lumpy and shit, so it didn't fit very good. Oh, you're good. Oh, look at the flisher flashers, boys.
I know, eh?
It's got multi-directional flisher flashers for nighttime ambiance. Okay, really turn the wheel, hit the wood one, and turn the wheel. You know what I mean? Oh, do you want to put the seat down?
No.
Oh, I apologize. Yeah, just give her the Gundy. Oh yeah, look at him go, boys. Turn the wheel! Oh, he's scared big time to turn the wheel, boys. I apologize. I was trying to get him to. Oh, he's right in the wreckage. I didn't even check a single bolt. The back tire's a little flat, so we should probably give her a preliminary. You know what I mean? Like maybe we'll put a ranche onto a couple of the bolts. And look at him flishing flat. That helmet's out of this world. BC's that way, goof! Hey, I apologize. Oh yeah. Yeah, might need a little toke in the tires there and a little how you doing, but hey, that'll be the felon's new ride, so that I don't have to go pick them up every day. No excuse now. Hey, look at them friggin' go, boys. Trained professional. Ah, he's like pedaling and stuff. Pedal while you do it. Pedal. Pedal. Yeah, yeah, there you go. Oh, friggin' right. Oh, friggin' right, you know what I mean? That's great. That's friggin' great. Yeah, I don't know if that one's for hitting the wood one either. You know what I mean? What? Might be. Yeah, the other one definitely not for hitting the wood one.
Oh, no. No, no.
This one, maybe a little wood one.
Maybe.
Yeah, we'll have to do some testing, but frig, yeah, we got a fleet now. There's another one too. Yep. One that goes like as fast as you can and shit. But anyways, boys, we got the friggin' the Dynacox on my truck there now, so we'll be able to drive around without spinning the whole front spiel, which was the whole idea of the Sigurd here. Just working on some sort of position for my friggin' Vever hose reel too. So we got air, so we might as well utilize this on for different hose reel applications. Right? Was that fun?
Oh, hell yeah.
You love that?
That's actually really cool.
Yeah. I wonder how long it'd take you to get from the Big P to Inwood. Eh? Probably 3 days.
Oh yeah, still. Yeah,
Well,
I get lost, you know.
At 100, it's like a 15 minutes. So at like 30, it's 30 mile too. So 50, it'll probably take you half hour. Probably take half hour if you just center the whole way.
Oh, for sure.
You know what I mean? No cigarettes, no stopping at the liquor store.
Yeah.
For fuck's sakes.
I can't stop at the liquor store?
Well, I guess, but hard to get shit done when you're just fucking barfing down the front of yourself all day. I apologize. Oh, somebody's angry. Hey, anger. Hey. Oh, did the backlights too a little bit. Oh, what's this? Are you moving out?
Yeah, it is the time.
Oh, good lord. Apologize. That's handy though. Hey, hopefully the light still comes through at least a little bit. That's not good. So mad.